Skullcap has been used as an alternative medicine to help to reduce inflammation, provide relief from spasms, stimulate blood flow in the pelvic region, help eliminate headaches, reduce fever, and induce relaxation. Additionally, it's been thought to improve conditions like epilepsy, insomnia, hysteria, and anxiety. And research shows that the Cherokee and other Native American tribes were dependent on skullcap as a way to maintain good health in the female reproductive system. Skullcap can refer to two herbs, American skullcap, which is Scutellaria latifolia, and Chinese skullcap, which is Scutellaria bicalensis. The common name for skullcap used in America was mad dog during the 19th century because of its ability to heal animals and humans from rabies. In addition to its reputation as an effective remedy against rabies, skullcap was used by Native Americans to promote menstruation. A root extract was often taken after childbirth to help heal the reproductive system. The Iroquois used it to keep the throat clear and healthy, and it was used to induce visions as a ceremonial plant to be smoked by some Native Americans. Chinese physicians are known to have used the root for antibacterial purposes, as a diuretic, an antispasmodic, and to help with bile flow. In Nepal, the plant is used as a folk remedy for the common cold, cuts, and insect stings. Research shows that Chinese skullcap extract is toxic to cancer cells, such as brain tumor cells, prostate cancer cells, and head and neck squamous cell carcinoma cell lines. Studies indicate that aqueous extracts suppress the growth of lymphoma and myeloma cells. It's believed that certain flavones, which are antioxidants within the plant, are responsible for these anti-cancer effects, ultimately inhibiting the growth. This may happen due to the free radical scavenging characteristics that it contains, which prevents viral infections. One of these flavones is known as bisalin. In a study published in the Beijing Science Bulletin, it appeared as though the bisalin did not cause any mutations, which is a serious problem of many conventional anti-cancer drugs available today. Another study, published in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine, investigated the effects of the extract of skullcap on fibrosarcoma, which is a highly metastatic cancer of the connective tissue, and it showed possible anti-cancer characteristics. The rate at which cancer cells grew was significantly suppressed by treatment through apoptosis, and the volume and the weight of tumors was greatly reduced as well. It appears as though the plant helped to prevent further inhibition and migration of cancer cells, indicating its potential as a natural cancer treatment. For more than 2 centuries, American skullcap has been used by both Americans and Europeans as a nerve tonic to help to treat anxiety. Research has shown that the plant contains anxiolytic activity in animals and humans. Oxidative stress affects some brain-related diseases like anxiety, Alzheimer's, depression, and Parkinson's. Yet research indicates that bioactive compounds found in medicinal plants like skullcap can neutralize and even eliminate the toxic free radicals. When this occurs, oxidative stress is greatly reduced. Skullcap for anxiety may work because of its ability to provide significant antioxidant effects, which could make it a great option for reducing anxiety. Chinese Scutellaria has some pretty effective anti-inflammatory properties. Many who suffer with arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease are known for using skullcap as a home remedy. A 2007 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine evaluated selected herbs for their ability to protect neuronal cells. Researchers found that ginger and turmeric extracts exhibited the most protective effects, followed by skullcap, ginkgo biloba, Chinese cinnamon, and Korean rhubarb. Researchers concluded that these selected herbs may be potentially important resources to discover natural drug candidates against the onset of Alzheimer's disease. While skullcap may relieve anxiety, it can also be used for those who experience insomnia and other sleeping problems, like restlessness, muscle tension, and clenching the jaw. Research analysing the use of herbal medicine for insomnia suggests that herbs like skullcap, lemon balm, and passion flower are often used to improve sleep. A skullcap tea or tincture could be useful before bed to help you relax, ward off anxiety, and give you some well-deserved and much-needed sleep. A recent study aimed to investigate the cardioprotective effects of bisalin, which comes from the skullcap roots, and it suggests that the plant may help to protect the heart. Subjects were injected with isoproterenol, which induced acute myocardial infarction. Pre-treatment with bisalin greatly reversed the alterations induced by the ISO, with results showing higher levels of antioxidant defense enzymes. Overall, the study revealed cardioprotective effects of bisalin, giving evidence that pre-treatment could prevent and possibly terminate some heart disease conditions such as myocardial infarction. According to a 2014 study by the Korean Food Research Institute, skullcap may help to reduce fever. Tests were conducted by administering the herb to subjects who had a food allergy. Temperature was monitored, and results indicated that the group given the skullcap demonstrated a drop in body temperature. Studies also indicate that some severe cases of illness involving fever may be treated with skullcap combined with other medicinal herbs, such as fried bitter apricot seeds and unprocessed rhubarb. It's been shown to help reduce high fever, coughs, and shortness of breath, while reducing heart palpitations, anxiety, and irritation. Research shows that Ayurveda techniques and treatments using herbal medicine, like skullcap, may be helpful in treating epilepsy. Specifically, skullcap is an Ayurvedic herbal treatment preparation that's been reported as being used for epilepsy treatment. In addition, 18 healing Ayurvedic ingredients have been combined with a base of honey and herbal ghee. Reports suggest that this cocktail of herbal ingredients help to reduce tremors, muscle spasms, nerve-related symptoms, and headaches, ultimately aiding in the treatment of side effects caused from epileptic patients. An animal study out of Canada showed that skullcap may reduce the risk and the occurrence of seizures. Male rats were given skullcap for a period of time after being diagnosed with epilepsy and did not have seizures, while those not given the herb did. Interestingly, when the treatment was removed, the seizures started to occur again. The skullcap herb can usually be found in the form of a tea, liquid, extract, tincture, capsule, or crude root extract. Health food stores often provide it as a tonic in combination with valerian root and passion flower for insomnia. If you're pregnant or nursing, it might be best to avoid skullcap. It's important to note that there's a period of time when American skullcap was contaminated with germander, which is a group of plants that may cause liver problems. To avoid this, make sure that you obtain skullcap from a reliable source that's 100% pure. Chinese skullcap has been documented as causing blood sugar levels to drop, raising the risk of hypoglycemia. If you're diabetic, it's recommended that you avoid Chinese skullcap.